So I hope you all see the image I just put into my thumbnails, and I just want to show you the same as I said what I just put over there. So this the image is not much clear, but I'm gonna show you how to deal with it and get what it just need and see how it's gonna be. And I don't know. So first I think I've just put a lot of videos over there, but I'm going to do the same thing to show you exactly how to take it and play with it well. So first, make sure you just get this image and duplicate it here. Hit OK. You can name it, I mean, whatever just name it to be, but I'm okay with it because I don't feel to change the name. So when you get it, just move to mixer brush. That's the brush you're going to use to treat the face well. Then make sure here is not gonna cover like this. Make sure here is gonna be empty. Okay. So you will click here so that everything is going to be empty over here. So when you get to this, make sure you choose the face color. Okay. Before you start. So when you get to that, slow it down like this. Okay. Okay. Always make sure you control your scale. Sorry, your size. To just work on it. Or you can make it on your keyboard. So let's see before and after just right now. Okay. So this one is no plugin. I'm not using any plugin. I'm just showing you how to use use the tools to just work on the face. Guys, just forgive me, okay? I'm not well, but I'm just trying my best to do something for you guys today. That's why. So when you get to this point, okay, make sure you just cover where the face was just messed up here. Okay. And here too. And here. So when you get to this point, let's see before and after. Okay. So when you get to this point, make sure you'll just fix everything. So I'm going to duplicate this one again. Okay. And I'm going to drag it here. So this is the first one and this is the second one. And I'm going to change this to I'm going to change it to black and white. Turn the saturation to 0. Okay. Then move to the and high pass. Okay, and let's just be down like this and hit OK and turn this into inner light. Okay, so before and after. So when you get to this, make sure you will just clean the here looks it seems being rigid, so we're going to take it down. We're going to use the eraser tool to take here down like this. Okay, not too much, but just make something cool about it. So when you get to this point, make sure you add this image together. You hide them and Control E to add them together. Okay, so when you get to this point, I don't feel this because I just want this color to be on the same color. So I just choose, and I will use and I'll use this brush color replacement tool. So when you get to this, just work on it, or you can use this tool to just I mean crop it like this so that you don't make any mistake. So you just try something like this, or use the other pen tool to just work on it. But I just want to make something quick to show you this so that you can get time to just do something about it. Okay, you know, this how if this, then see before and after. Yeah, so I'm going to do the same thing to the eye. So the eye, make sure you just choose the dodge tool. Then the exposure is going to be around 54. It's not bad, so you're going to step on it. Okay, so step on it like this. Okay, so let's check before and after. Okay, so when you get to this point, make sure you choose the black color and move to color replacement and step this side and side, because I just want to make the eye more to look white, and the teeth also is going to be the same thing. Okay, so these are the tricks you get right now. I don't want to cover this color because I want the image to be the same. So anytime you will just get to this, make sure you check before and after. Okay, and the lips, this is how you're going to work on it. Make sure you just cut it from here to here and hit Control J to just cut it. So when you cut it outside, make sure you just move to here on the saturation and increase this, and you can just move to any way just where your colors just want to be on the lips. Then you clean it like this. The reason why I made it to be like this, that I just wanted to just cover this side, okay, so that we can get what we just need, and then I will step on those things around here, and that's it. So when you get to this, you can reduce the opacity to be normal like this. Okay, so let's check before and after. Okay, that's it. So we're going to step on the cheek and make sure you choose the right color. Okay, the braid, and create your new layer and choose brush tool. Always make the hardness to be around 0 and stop on the cheek and send in this normal to color. So when I get to the color, just reduce it. Okay, simple method. So let's see before and after. So when you get to this point, you can just use the same color to work on those, I mean this side, and then you fade it like this. Okay, cool. Then just highlight them, Control J, and Control E to add them together. So when you get to this point, make sure you will choose this part 2 to remove these things. Taking all this out like this. Okay, so when you get to this side, okay, make sure you just duplicate. But let's see before and after. Then you duplicate it. So when you duplicate it, make sure you use the dot tool to just work on the face here, to step where it's just shining, and just make it out like this. Okay, and step here. So when you get to this point, okay, check before and after, before and after. So when you're done with it, just add them together. That's how I used to do all the time. Okay, so when you're just done with it here, okay, make sure you use your pen to just trace something, I mean, around the background. Sorry. Like this, then go to here, and then you choose the same color and choose mixer brush. Okay, and make sure you will just treat the background well. Just take your time and work on it well. There's something over there we need to just fix. So that's it. Then Control D. Okay, Control J again to do just duplicate this. So when you get to this point, move to hue and saturation, and send this to this, and just increase it just a little like this. So let's see before and after. Then move to level, and make sure you just work on those two to just pop this image out like this. Okay, so let's see before and after. So when you get to this, try to choose black color here and move to gradients. So it's going to be like this, but turn the scale to this and reverse it. When you reverse it, just make this to be around the middle and just increase the scale. Okay, so let's see before and after. Okay, that's great. So guys, this is what I just want to get for you all to learn today. So I'm going to drop more videos to show you exactly things you need to just learn to achieve, to learn how to do retouch, and to just expand a lot of things and get to know more. So see you for the next video. Bye.